is going to take you through how to edit the scavenger hunt template. I will say up front that this is a little bit confusing because students have to move from card to card, and it's meant to be scattered and throughout the room, and it can just be a little bit confusing. So the first page of the template, there's actually nothing you can do on this one. It's just giving you directions on how to use it in your classroom. The second one, this is going to be where you can type in the skill name. This is for your students. This is going to be where they record their answers. So for example, if they start at card C, they're going to write in C, give their answer, and then they'll find the card that answer is on. So slide 3 starts with this, previous answer from U. So that means that really the first question you need to write is going to be on card U, and that's going to be all the way down here at the bottom. So I'm going to fill this in once again with just very easy answers, or questions. So 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 is what U says. And obviously when you all are doing this, you can make these bigger. You can change the color. You can change the font depending on what kind of fonts you have available. But so 12 plus 8 will be the question from U. And then I'm going to go back up here and the answer is 20. So this will say 20. Again, I'll just make it big and change the font just so it matches. And then this other card on here is from B. So B is here. So we're going to say 10 plus 5. And I'm not going to keep making all of these big and pretty, but you understand how to do that. And then 15. Then you skip this card. R, you don't have that on there just yet because it's down here. So previous answer from R. So we'll go ahead and type in R. We'll say 10 minus 5 this time. Previous answer is 5. And so on. So you'll keep following the cards this way. And then the directions are here on how you print, how you can use colored paper, and so on and so forth. But the most important thing here is print or copy front to back as listed. So you want to print pages 3 through 18 because that's how many there are. 3 through 18 and front to back. Now so everything is attached to the background here except for the part where you can type in the questions or the answers. You cannot modify the template, the text that says scavenger hunt. On these you can modify skill name. So if you just want to write basic operations or whatever it is that you're doing, solving systems, word problems, anything like that, you can change that. If you don't like having B, R, or you want to change that to maybe shapes or colors or something like that, all you have to do is grab a circle. It doesn't even have to be perfect. And you can fill it in white. You can change this white. And then if you wanted to do shapes instead, or if you wanted to do numbers instead, then all you would have to do is grab a text box, number 6, make it nice and big, and stick that there instead. So if you don't like it the way I have it set up, you can always change that to be, again, you can put a shape over top, you can put numbers, anything you'd like. So this one definitely takes some time. I recommend after you get this modified, of course, always save as a PDF before you print, but go through it yourself to make sure you did it in the proper order. So don't just print it and hang it up ready to go. Especially if it's your first time making a scavenger hunt, please make sure you go through, print yourself a copy of the skill student data sheet right here and go through and actually do the scavenger hunt yourself just to make sure it's all the way you need it to be and everything flows together nicely.